welcome everyone back to Mr. Dow Weather Updates. And today we'll have a look at the live radar for what the weather's gonna be like for the next 6 hours into the night, and see what it's gonna be like for the week ahead. As we're gonna see some more unsettled conditions coming into Thursday, with band of rain moving on from the West Atlantic, covering most parts of England. So we're gonna have cloudy and wet conditions into tomorrow. Now, I'm so sorry about the noise. There's an alarm going off, and there's been a bit of a power cut where I live, so it's all a little bit chaos. So I do apologise if this video's been kind of restarted and if I feel a little bit frustrated as I'm doing it so many times. Hopefully the Wi-Fi won't cut off whilst I'm recording. Hopefully not, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's get back into the weather. So yeah, be quite a dry night, as it says on the message here. We can see here everyone's dry except the odd scattered shower in London there. However, you can see here on the right of the left of the map. Sorry about it. The connection is a little bit poor. Let me just restart it. Yeah, like I said, band of rain moving in from the Atlantic, doing parts of Northern Ireland first, and into Scotland. Maybe locally heavy. In moderate area, might get a bit heavy on the hills, as you can see on the Highlands of Scotland. So sorry. And into the next day, that will be coming closer, and soon enough, that will be coming into the rest of the UK. As you can see, that band of rain becoming a little bit more unsettled. In terms of temperatures, a lot cooler than we've seen recently. Again, getting a bit cooler now. We've only seen areas just getting to 24 in London, possibly 25 in London. Much cooler, and another very cool night actually to come. As you can see, a little bit more blues coming in, and a few more purples. So we're going to stick into low teens for the night. So yeah, ranging from 16 areas to 14. So that's what the nighttime temperatures are likely to be at. And in terms of precipitation for the long range, right, so this afternoon we can see that band of rain that has been obviously getting ready to push in for Wednesday. Firstly, battering northern Scotland, locally heavy on the hills, and then moving into the rest parts of Thursday. That moves north. There is another band of rain that is another front of rain, that pushes into the north of the UK. Locally heavy rainfall is expected on the hills. This will bring scattered showers and locally persistent rainfall into parts of the UK. And you can see some bands of rain is coming into Wales as well. So mainly northwestern areas of the UK will be receiving this rainfall, but and then much later, London and the southeast will be getting it as that weather front pushes into southeast. And like I said, as you're on the hills, locally heavy rainfall is impossible in national parks, so please be wary on that. And that moves moderately into the southeast towards the continent, and then that pushes out for quite a clear night for Friday, with most of the cloud into the south, some scattered cloud. However, central England, parts of Yorkshire, is pretty clear for Friday night. And then going to Friday, much more settled, maybe the odd scattered drizzle or isolated drizzle in some areas. However, very nice and cool and clear conditions throughout Friday. So a very nice day on Friday, with only a few scattered showers or rain coming into northern Scotland, with that band of cloud moving in. And then coming into the night of Friday, again a nice clear night of only showers into northern Scotland, with most of the cloud actually clearing from the north, from most central parts of England. Maybe the odd cloud in the southeastern areas of England, very southeast like Dover. However, very clear, well, mostly clear night. Maybe the odd drizzle is possible in some areas, as a more thicker cloud will produce that in some areas. So yeah, widely a bit cloudier for Saturday, with the odd drizzle in some areas, but not as unsettled as we're going to see on Thursday. And then on Sunday, again a few scattered cloud, but there's not as likely risk of a drizzle to come out, so just a bit cloudy, mostly cloudy in some areas. Maybe the sun will peek out a few times. And then into Monday, a little bit more unsettled. Looking into Scotland, a band of rain pushes in to southeast, and then we have some locally heavy rainfall on the hills coming into Scotland, and another front of rain coming in from the southwest and moving into the northwest eastern area, which is going to push up into the UK into Monday. So looking a little bit more unsettled for Monday, as we can see some rain into Cornwall, South Wales, bits of south central England, bits of scattered showers in northern England, and that front of rain will be pushing a little bit more towards the UK in there. So a little bit more unsettled on Monday, so just be aware of that. Now I'm going to end off in the GFS. We're going to see what the pressure is going to be like in the next few days. I will be doing a full video on this when it gets to September, so we can predict what the September might be like as in more detail, as I'll be doing a 20-day forecast from 16th of August to September to see what it's going to be like in September, just predicting. However, like I said on Thursday, low pressure is in charge for now, as millibars are under 1010, so expecting low pressure for most areas, with the odd high pressure into the far south, into the continent. Friday, a little bit more settled, like I said, into a little bit more higher pressure, as that low pressure comes to the north. Into Saturday, it's not uploading. Oops, oh dear, oh shoot. I'm so sorry. It seems like it's gone off, unfortunately. Anyway, yeah. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I know this is gonna happen. At least I got through most of the parts, but it looks like maybe the odd it'll be a little bit changeable. Low pressure, mainly to the north of the UK, with more high pressure to the south throughout the day, with more low pressure in charge of Monday. That is what I can give for now. As it's gone off again. I am so sorry. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.